I am going to walk you through the steps to use a dynamic custom label in a screen flow. You might have used custom labels to store static text or use them for translations. But did you know you can create a parameterized dynamic custom label and replace values during runtime, making it reusable? In this session, I am going to walk you through the steps to create a parameterized custom label and then use that in a flow. Let's log into our Salesforce instance and then navigate to Setup. Search for Custom Labels. Then click on New Custom Label to create a custom label. I have already created a custom label for this example. As you can see, I have given it a value as you are not allowed to, then a placeholder with an index 0, records on, and then a second placeholder with index 1. You can give it any other name, but for simplicity I have used 0 and 1. Next, I'm going to create a flow and then click on the toolbox and create a new resource. We will search for formula, then give it an API name, select the data type as text. Under the formula, search for labels and select the label that you just created. Under the functions, I am going to search for substitute and then click on it. Now copy the label snippet and then replace the text value in the substitute formula with your label. Now what we need to do is, we are now going to replace the parameter in our custom label with the value that we want to replace it with. I am going to replace the first parameter, that is 0, with a text called create, and then click on done. We have two separate parameters. If you want to replace both of them, I am going to reuse the substitute function outside the existing one and then replace the second parameter with another text. And then click on done. Screen element, I am going to display this formula resource. In the resource picker, I am going to select the formula that I just created and then click on done. Click on save and then we will click on debug to see the changes. As you can see, our parameters were replaced with the text that we just entered in the formula. So this is how you can dynamically populate a parameterized custom label in the flow. You can achieve the same functionality in an LWC component, wherein you can replace the parameters using Apex. In this video, we are going to show you how you can use the same dynamic custom label inside your LWC component. Stay tuned. Through this article that we have created, where we are going to guide you step by steps with the screenshots on how to create custom label and dynamically replace them inside a flow. This session to be useful, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and make sure to forward this to your friends as well. Thanks for watching.